only the page. So, curious lang ako since other productions are like close their venue that you chose Ayala Mountains and it's here in Activity Center. So maybe you can walk us through on how it will happen and how you will transform the space.
Okay, long story. Sabihin ko ba ito? Well, it's just so happened that also that Ayala was looking for a film company. But we used to do, from Wellington. And then all of a sudden they said that, can we do shows? Okay, I'll try. So, one thing also I like is, for me, siguro naman nakasunod dyan sa explanation sa write-up namin, sa press release, that for me, I believe that the theater is not only, now, ngayon na lang naman yan na nagkaroon ng proof with this backlights or something. But theater before, if we go back to Shakespeare or something, totoo lang, yun yung original theater. Hindi lang yung house of God. Ang theater, as long as there's lights, actors, and there's a tawag ng community ng actors performing, for me that is theater. And I'm so happy that that is, hindi naman sa making myself, or you're just defending yourself. No, it's not. Actually, I'm very happy. Gusto ko rin, of course, gusto ko. But since we have traffic and so people can't go so far, if you ask also from the States, also, we also have a small community that put up theater. And yes, Ayala given me a very, so much discount and blessing also to have communicate with them about the theater and the theater. And yeah, that's what happened.
And I would like to add to that also, I think it's bringing theater closer to the people, to the common people actually in the mall. So they'll have time, and then it will also a good come on for the customers in the mall. Yeah.